Hey there, this is Jeremy at Matrix Integrated in Bend, Oregon. Today we are working on a 21 Storyteller Classic Mode, bone stock, 2100 miles. We are doing a kind of a hybrid suspension upgrade. We're doing the VanCompass Stage 2.3 kit along with Agile Offroad's 5,400 pound rear leaf springs. The reason we're doing this on this van is because the client doesn't want to lift the van really any height in the front and in the rear. As you saw, stock height, current height is pretty low in the rear compared to the front. So it's kind of a reverse rake, and the client wants to add some extra gear in the future, perhaps Agile 28-gallon auxiliary fuel tank, maybe a motorcycle on the back, as well as some owl carriers. Anyhow, so we are going to add the Agile 5,400 pound rear leaf springs based on the rear axle weight, about 4,800 pounds on the STOs modes, classics, excuse me. And anyway, so we got the VanCompass Stage 2.3 kit, which is the front and rear adjustable falcons. Fronts are three-way low-speed compression adjustable here. Rears are the same three-way low-speed compression adjustable, as well as you can see the SP2, which is the rebound adjustment, which we put into performance mode when we installed the suspension. The way to do that, to set the rebound, is to turn the shock shaft, damper shaft, 360 degrees. So we got the auxiliary, so you get front auxiliary shocks that will go in the front wheel well, replacing the rear factory rear shocks with the Falcon rears. You have the Sumo Spring bump stops for the front. This is the front auxiliary shock mount kit. Shock boots, U-bolts and nuts for the leaf springs, e-brake line guards, and all the hardware. So anyway, we're also doing the Agile no rub fenders. He's going to add 275 7017 tires later on. So anyhow, we will show you the progress in another video. Thanks. Again, Jeremy at Matrix Integrated in Bend, Oregon.